All right, the drink we're about to make is called Carabinieri. And first thing we're going to do is put some ice in a glass here. And we'll measure out 1 shot of tequila. Grab your favorite tequila. Any tequila will do, really, for this one. We've got a lot of other things mixing with it. So you're not going to be able to tell, really, the difference. And next we'll do about a half a shot of Galliano. There we go. Follow that up with a half a shot of lime juice. And next we'll add the yolk of 1 egg. Here's our yolk. Drop that in there. Oh yeah, get some protein. And we'll just go ahead and fill it up the rest of the way with some orange juice. Now we'll mix this together. I'm going to make sure we get that egg yolk mixed up real well. Unless you want to take a drink and have it stick into your teeth. It's probably not the best idea. Got it mixed real well. Get our glass ready and pour it in. And we got a nice frothy drink ready to go. Bottoms up.